Hello dear friends, this is Amber. Take a cardboard and make a bale, cut it and keep cutting. Now you have a beautiful bale. Now make leaves with pen so that you can easily cut them. So now I'm making leaves. So now let's cut it. The video is fast forward so that it will not be too much long. So now let's paste that bale with the leaves part, and now let's color black color whole piece with black color. You can apply any other color if you want. Now let's make little silver leaves. We will apply on the black leaves. Apply blue on silver leaves, and now let's apply lace. You can take any color lace. Use hot glue gun. It will be very easy for you to paste it. Okay, now I'm using thermocol balls to decorate the whole decoration piece. This is how it looks now. Thank you so much for watching.